Now we have to do the chain. And for the chain we need a 13, we need a 9, sorry, an 8 and a 13. So the first little fella you have to take off is this, the one wheel, 3-wheel drive, the handle off that. Then you loosen these, the 4 bolts, and loosen these 2 here as well on the side. And you catch the plate like this and just give it a small lift and pull back like that. Now this is your chain. This will come loose in time when it tensions in. So what you do is you just loosen this. Now I always like to have the tensioner face down that way. That's important, to have the tensioner face down that way. Or upright, whatever way you want to say it, but have it that way, not like this one. Not like that one. This is the way to have it right. And you don't be afraid of tightening it, it's not going to break. You just get it good and tight. You see, like that, good and tight. Now we're going to change this one as well to what I think is the correct position. Just have it up like that, upright. See? And make sure to tighten your lock nut again. But they all will come loose. It's not nothing wrong, it's just that they will come loose. And if they come very loose, they'll catch in the body here. So be careful to have that. Then and also when you have it off, you see your chain here, in there. You put grease on that, or oil on it, and you just turn it, put the oil on it, and just turn it from side to side like that, and that will grease the whole thing. And see on the cogs here, it'll follow it out, and follow it out on the chain there, and also put some oil around about here on the chain.